Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, hi, hello, my name is Brianna, also known as BFT Post. And for those who aren't, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is a wig install featuring, look, I've been saying the name wrong. I've been saying Outre, but I think it's pronounced Outre. Perfect hairline lace front unit in the style Everette, and I'm wearing chocolate swirl. That's what it looks like here. That's what it looks like on me. I decided to do a side part because you can never go wrong with a side part. And sometimes side parts help fix the mistakes, like not going down the sides. But anyways, this is a 13x6 hand-tied lace wig. And it's 26 inches. I'm just gonna stand up and show you guys where it reaches to me, which is like about my waistline, close to my hips. And I decided to rock a little headband with it to give it luxury, you know, black girl luxury. If you guys want to know what I did to get this look, keep on watching. But here is the finished look. So this is the hair all together, and this is where it ends off. This is 26 inches. So here are my final thoughts. The hair is beautiful. I love the chocolate color. I've been meaning to get a chocolate unit. It's very full, I will say that. It looks full, it is full, it feels full. I don't specifically know the density because it's not like it's written on here, but this is very full hair. In terms of tangling, this is like one of the units that I find does tangle a lot. I think because it already has like set curls in them, that's the reason why they tangle. I don't really do much with the hair. All I got was a paddle brush to kind of simmer the curls down a little bit because they were wild in the beginning, but now they look more uniform. I don't think there's much for me to say anymore because this unit just speaks for itself. It's giving it. It's giving that. Say thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one.